Okay, question number 8. If you remarry and your second spouse dies or you divorce, what can happen without a prenuptial agreement?
Well, as I've heard Kathy say before, World War III could happen in this case. But actually, Oklahoma is what's called a marital property state, and so all of your assets, whether they're individual or joint assets, can be subject to division by the court. We have seen in cases of where it's not a death, but where there's a divorce without the prenup, we've seen cases where a large majority of the estate is actually awarded to the spouse, even though it was owned by one of, the other, let's say the husband, even though it was owned by the husband when they married, due to the state laws, we've seen situations, like I say, where the wife is awarded a large majority of those assets.
And the kids are not happy.
Yeah, we talk about, in that situation, divorce, we talk about equitable division. And equitable division is whatever the judge says is equitable. And those aren't always necessarily what the client would think was an equitable division. I had one situation where mom died, left $2 million to her son, whose wife had been living in another city for the last 5 years, and as soon as the estate got settled, she filed for divorce, and guess who walked away with over $1 million? Because we're a marital property state.